Hi guys, I know I have been missing, but I finally gathered up the courage to make myself the first pair of shorts that I've ever made. And so to make my shorts, I used a pair of shorts that I already had, and then I placed it on top of my fabric. This is my fabric and it's folded. So the fabric is folded in such a way that the ends meet in the middle. Then so those are the same shorts that I'm using. I just turned them inside out, and then I tried to trace the outline of the shorts and just cut as I went along. Then I also cut the bottoms to make them a little bit shorter. So you notice that these shorts already, they are high-waisted shorts, but then from the waistband of the shorts you also make sure that you have about 4 to 5 inches. So you notice that when I cut out the pattern piece, I left a lot on the sides because I didn't want the pants to be very fitted. I want them. So this is the paper that I used as the pattern for the pockets. Then I just placed it on top of the fabric and then I cut the shape out. So you notice that I'm leaving a little bit of allowance on the edges, and you have to make sure that you don't cut two right sides pockets or two left sides pockets. And then I went on to the edges and I now started to fold in about 1 centimeter inside on all the edges. So you notice that we have 5 edges on this pocket. Then I just go ahead and I fold in all the edges and then I iron. And I also do the same thing for the other pocket. So there are all my pockets, 2 of my pockets, all folded and ironed. Then you now take your pocket and then you put it on the sides of the pattern pieces of the shorts, and then I went ahead and I did a tacking stitch, and you notice that I left that slanted edge open. Then I just went ahead and then I stitched my pockets onto the short pieces. Then there I was just removing the tacking thread. So there my pockets had already been stitched. Then I went to the bottom of the shorts. Then I started to fold the edges inside. I fold them 2 times and then I went ahead and then I hemmed these edges. So at this point we've sewed on our pockets and hemmed the bottoms. Then I now took my 2 short pieces. Then the first thing that I did was to sew the little part at the bottom. Then I just sewed it like that. Then I now went back to my pattern piece. Then I now started to join them all the way down to the crotch. Then I also joined the back side and I just put those pegs before I went on to sew that on the sewing machine. So there I'd already joined the shorts on the legs and on the crotch. My pockets have already been sewn on. Then I went to the top part of the shorts. Then I started to fold in about 1 centimeter down throughout the circumference of the shorts. Then after I did that, I now folded in about 3 inches down. You just basically have to fold it until it gets to the point where your pockets start. You just make sure that the waistband does not go below the pockets. Then you now just pin it down. And then I placed my ruler like that, and then I drew a 1-inch line from where the first fold of the waistband is. I don't know if you can understand me. So I just basically drew that 1-inch line, and the way I did it was to just use the same measurement of the thickness of the ruler itself. So when I go to sew on the sewing machine, I first sew just on the folded part. Then I sewed through the circumference of the whole waist. Then I went back again, and now I was now sewing on that white line that I drew with the roller. So what this will do is that it gives you an encasing. That 1 inch will be sort of like an encasing to put the elastic. You also need to remember that when you sew it down, you need to leave a space to insert the elastic. But if you forget, you can just use a seam ripper and open up a little space to insert the elastic. So before I went on to insert the elastic, I just took a 1-inch strip of fabric, which I folded in both edges inside and ironed, and then I folded it again in half and also ironed. Then I went on to sew this fabric strip on the sewing machine. This is to hold our fabric belt, which we are going to make again later. Then I now went on to insert my elastic using a little space that I had left previously. And then when I get to the other end, I just pinned the elastic together, and then I joined it on the sewing machine before I sewed the gap shut again. Then also to make the fabric belt, I usually take a little piece of fabric about 5 inches wide, and the length is about 2 yards. And then I just cut that strip of fabric, and then I folded the edges inside. Then I also folded the ends and ironed them inside, and then I went on to fold the fabric strip in half before pinning on the edges. Then I sewed the edges again to shut them. Then when I finished sewing my fabric belt, then I went on to insert it in. So at that point the shorts were basically done, and this was my first attempt at making this kind of pair of shorts. And so I'm very open to criticism. I'm very open and welcome to criticism and tips on how I can better myself going forward. And if this was your first time coming here, thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you so much for stopping.